In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover WhatsApp View Once photos. I know what happened. You opened that View Once photo, thought you'd seen it, and then it's gone forever, right? Well, don't panic. I'm going to show you exactly what to do if you ever want to recover those photos and bring them back. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Look at the bottom right corner and click on the settings icon on your phone. Next, scroll down and look for the Storage and Data option, then tap on it. Then, locate the Manage Storage option and click on that. Now, tap on the contact name from whom you received the View Once photo. Here, click on the first photo to view it. In this way, you can see the photo multiple times, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips like this.